Okay, so I am en route. I'm just after pulling out of the apartment and now I am heading to my hair appointment. Oh my. I'm thinking for the first time in my whole entire life I'm not gonna have takeaway on Friday. I'm actually gonna cook. Fridays are Fat Fridays and they are the day that we get takeaway. Nobody cooks. It doesn't even have to be takeaway. It's usually like something like a sandwich, or if you want to take away, whatever. But I'm actually gonna cook spaghetti bolognese tonight. Isn't that just so strange? So I just pulled in to get my Frank and Anna's coffee and start the day the way it should be started. Where did I put my keys? Oh, I'm always losing those things, those bad boys. And let's head off to my hair appointment. I'm actually on time, would you believe? Would you believe? You probably wouldn't, because you're like, Ashing, it's you're never on time. But I am this morning. I am just so excited to get my hair done today because I feel like it's just not great at all. I'll tell you what happened. I probably did tell you this, that I shorted out the electricity the other day in the apartment by having too many electrical devices on, and because it's an old apartment and stuff like that, yeah, I blew the place up. So I had the weirdest shower the other night where I kind of left like conditioner in my hair, because that's what happened. The shower stopped working when I had conditioner in my hair, and had to clean it out in the sink. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to getting my hair blow dried and washed today. And John explained to me about like showers and stuff. Like, you have a shower when you're not cooking, we'll say, for instance, and I had the heater on, the cooker on, like the switch on the cooker, and the shower all on, all at the same time. So that was not a good option and not a good solution. I need to clean out my car. Just noticed there's like 10 million coffee cups just rolling around it. That is not good at all. Hey guys, I'm back. I went to, oh yeah, I got my hair done obviously, which I'm very happy with. I went to Home Savers again and I picked up some tea, coffee and sugar canisters, and then I also picked up this like sieve thing, not sieve, it's a strainer for pasta and stuff like that, and it's, I don't know, I thought this was quite handy. And then I picked up this like little tiny heart. I thought that was so cute. So I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it, but I just thought it was really cute, and it was only $2.49. So I don't know, I thought that was quite pretty. I could hang it on maybe the doorknobs of the counter like that. Actually, that might look a bit funny there. Maybe you could hang it on the door or something. I don't know. I just really wanted it, and I just thought it was quite cute. I don't know, maybe in the sitting room that might be nicer. Anyway, that's what I picked up. And then the tea, coffee and sugar canisters, I'm happy to have them because I needed them. So I'm going to put them here, I think, or here, depending on where you usually keep your tea and coffee, I suppose. And our kettle's here. Kettle is like so, like the whole thing, there's no place for anything. I just kind of have things like thrown a strew around the countertops, but they'll all find homes eventually. So I'm just after bringing up a big basket full of fuel for the fire. So I'm gonna light that right now, get it going. So I got my fire going. It's so exciting and warm. I love putting the fire on, and it just makes this whole place so cozy. I need to get this black stuff for the stove. John was talking about it as well, but we need to like get it to kind of like rub into any of these areas where there's kind of like, and it's not deep rust, but there is kind of like external rust on it, and you can kind of see the bits on the top as well, so we have to get stuff to rub into it. And also there's like paint on it, so I have to try and chip that off, because obviously the stove will look better if those things are on it. I hope that makes sense. I need to clean the outside of this. I know you guys are probably like, don't be touching that, it's so hot. I've just put the fire on. It's actually not that hot yet. I'm reading comments and editing as well, and I'm trying to get the internet to work here. It's just a nightmare. It's not working at all, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, because I've like no Netflix, no nothing, and I don't know what to do. I'm like hotspotting my laptop off my phone at the moment to try and upload stuff. It's a nightmare. Ugh. I'm gonna finish cleaning up the apartment here and upload a new video. I am currently in my kitchen making a gourmet meal for myself, aka soup and toasty. Hob actually heats up so quickly, like the soup is done. Hey loves, I was just out, my battery was charging. I kept dying there earlier. I really needed to fully charge it, so I came home and it was fully charged. So I made a couple of different shopping trips. The first one was to Deals. I needed to pick up just a few more bits like for around here, but I picked up these little baskets. These are really great little storage baskets. I thought that these might be great in the press for, you know, like spices or for jars of stuff. I'm not really sure. I only bought one just to see the size and how many I might need, because they're only $1.49, which is great. And then I bought this Ace for Colours Stain Remover Colour Brightener. On the Queen Bee, Mrs. Hinch herself, her recommendation, she said this is really good for clothes and stuff, so I said I would pick it up. If it will focus on it, it would just be amazing. So yeah, I said I'd pick it up and see what it's like. What else did we get? I got, oh yeah, the Oxy Action Fabric Stain Remover. Mrs. Hinch recommends this as well. However, my mum has used this for a long time, so it could be either her recommendation, Mrs. Hinch's, I don't know, but I need it. I obviously haven't started like cleaning or anything like that because we don't like doing laundry, I mean, because we don't have a washing machine, but you can go to the laundrette, like the machines and stuff. They usually have them around like Aldi's and Lidl's, and sometimes around filling stations and stuff, so that's what I will probably end up doing just for a little while. And then I also got these little, oh god, don't break. These are only $1.49. It was just a vase, whatever you want to call it. It's not like the most amazing vase in the entire universe, but John got me flowers the other day and my mum got me flowers as well, so I just thought I would put them in this because, well, I got two. One for John's flowers and one for my mum's. These are smaller than the vase or the thing that they're in currently. They're in a spaghetti container, you know, like the glass containers for spaghetti. That's where my flowers are currently, so I thought that these might, you know, help the whole situation, not have them in spaghetti. Another place I was Pinners, where I got these round cosmetic pads. I'm sure you probably have seen these 100 times before. They're just my favorite ones. I picked up this belt, which was gold, and it has this kind of cool buckle on it. This belt anyway, and it's like snake print or like a snake pattern. I am just not in the form of cooking this evening. I was like all up for it earlier on, and now I'm just kind of like don't want to. But anyway, let's move on with this little miniature haul. I picked up the Black Orchid and Sandalwood candle from Penneys. It's my favorite scent that they do. And I also smelled this Neroli and Neroli and Linden Blossom candle. So I thought that these two smelled the nicest out of the ones that were in Penneys, and I said I will try them and have them smelling up the apartment. And then I just picked up more tea lights because I'm almost out of them, because I've been burning so many candles here lately. So that's all I really got in Penneys because I didn't need anything else. And next for TKMAXX, I bought this cutlery thing. I seriously needed one of these. We don't have one in the drawers, and the cutlery is just kind of like hanging out in the dish drainer, so that's not cool. And then I picked up one of these little caddies for your, you know, your washing up utensils. I thought this was kind of handy. Yeah, I just thought this would be handy around the kitchen. Just put your sponges and your like other sort of cleaning things into it. So that is basically all I got, and now I need to put it all away. Oh, and I just want to go sleep. I'm tired. Wow, what a drama queen. Now, there's my little flowers in the vase. They look lovely actually. Even though that was only $1.49, it looks a lot more expensive than that. and it matches my tea, coffee and sugar. I think that looks lovely. And these are the other flowers. These are the ones that John got me. They're so pretty as well. And because it's cool in here, I'm just gonna put them in the window. I just think that they're so pretty. I have been working all evening and I'm starving now, so I'm gonna make some dinner. I'm thinking spaghetti bolognese for dinner. Earlier on I was like, oh, I'm not enthusiastic, but now I'm starving. So the enthusiasm has come back on me. So I have my favorite garlic bread, the Kerrygold one. It's like the nicest garlic bread ever. If you've never had it before, you need to get it.
It's a treat builder for me here.
Guys, I honestly have to stop ending my vlog so abruptly. I'm really sorry. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I will see you all in tomorrow's one, where hopefully I learn to actually end the vlog properly and say goodnight to you guys, because it's not cool. Not cool at all.